Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 75, Quranic Verses, Using the Right First in Things. As for him who is given his record in his right hand, he will say, Here, take and read my record. Al-Haqqa 69:19. The people of the right, the people of happiness and prosperity, who receive their records in their right hands. How happy and prosperous are the people of the right, and the people of the left, the people of wretchedness, who will receive their records in their left hands. How wretched are the people of the left. Al-Waqiah 56, verse 8 to 9. Hadith number 377, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Libas 38. Sahih Muslim, Tahara, 66. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, liked to begin with the right in all things, in purification, combing his hair, and putting on his shoes. Hadith number 378, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Libas 19. Sahih Muslim, Libas 67. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, When one of you puts on sandals, he should start with the right foot, and when he removes them, he should start with the left foot, so that the first sandal he puts on and the last he takes off is the right one.